Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Wi-Fi. So firstly I will show you how to do this on Android device and then I will move to iOS. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part to find a similar path to these settings. Now, on your Android, open settings, and then we need to go to accessibility. I have stock Android here, and it's located at the bottom. Enter into accessibility, then scroll down again, and at the bottom we have audio adjustment. Tap at this line, and here's volume balance. If you have a problem with the right earbud, you just move this slider to the right, we just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. If you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound for your left earbud. If you have this problem with the left earbud, you need to move this dot to the left. And we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open settings. And then we need to go to accessibility, what's located under the general settings. So scroll down a bit, right here we have it, enter into accessibility, then scroll down again, and in the hearing we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have audio balance. If you have a problem with the left earbud, you just move the slider to the left. So I have iOS 26 and I cannot just tap at the best place. For me, I need to only move the slider. Maybe they will fix this because in the previous version on iOS 18 you can also tap. Now, we just increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right. And if you use 100% for your left earbud, you will totally mute sound for your right earbud. If you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move this slider to the right and we increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.